Looking for the best oscilloscope in 2026, whether you're an electronics engineer, a DIY enthusiast, or just stepping into circuit design. Choosing the right scope can make all the difference. Welcome to Global Deal Explorer, your go-to source for the best tech deals worldwide. So in today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best oscilloscopes of 2026, packed with performance, precision, and value for your money. Coming in at number 5, the Owon XDS3202E. And this dual-channel digital oscilloscope packs a solid 200 MHz bandwidth and a blazing 1 gigasample per second rate. With a generous 40 million point record length and smooth waveform capture, it's perfect for mid-level professionals and advanced hobbyists. Plus, its large 8-inch display gives you crystal clear signal analysis. At number 4, the Owon ADS800A series. This oscilloscope steps up the game with 12-bit high resolution and up to 1.25 gigasamples per second. This touchscreen interface makes navigation intuitive, just like using a tablet. And with LIN Decode support, it's a great fit for automotive engineers and embedded system developers. Number 3 goes to the UNI-T UPO series, known for reliability and high-resolution performance. With 12-bit ADC precision and up to 150 MHz bandwidth. This scope delivers detailed signal clarity you can trust, ideal for professionals who need accurate waveform representation for complex analysis. Runner-up at number 2, the Owon SDS200 series. And this one stands out with its built-in 14-bit signal generator and advanced FFT capabilities. And it's basically a 2-in-1 tool, saving you both space and money in your lab. Perfect for testing, troubleshooting, and advanced signal analysis, and taking the number 1 spot, the Owon SDS1102. This oscilloscope delivers excellent performance at an unbeatable price point, with a 7-inch display, solid build quality, and user-friendly interface. It's perfect for beginners and budget-conscious buyers. From budget-friendly options to high-performance tools, these are the best oscilloscopes you can buy in 2026. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and explore more deals with Global Deal Explorer.